We've lived here in Palmer, Alaska for 8 or 9 years now. State Fairgrounds is very close to us. I've driven by it, of course, hundreds of times, and I particularly think it's interesting and beautiful in the wintertime. I have always intended to get some nice aerial footage of the fairgrounds at this time of year. Just have never gotten around to it. Always doing other things. But I was intentional this time. Took my UAV with me and was able to launch and get some nice images, even though it's fairly quiet. Come August, it won't be that way. Hope you enjoy it.